Welcome to Tutorial World, where we teach how to make money online, also revealing some hidden go tricks. Now, let's go. Good day, guys. I hope you all are doing fine. I hope you are enjoying your day. So guys, I'm back again with another video. Okay, this video is a guide or everything you need to know about the Credle app, Credle platform, and how you can earn $1 per sign up on their partner program. Okay, so guys, this Credle app has quite been viral for quite some time now. So, and a lot of people have been sharing it to their friends, loved ones, and families. So I decided to make this video so as for you not to miss out. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, I would like you guys to like, comment, share this video, and most importantly subscribe to this channel so as to motivate me to drop more awesome updates like this one and the rest. Okay, and also if you would like me to drop a final video this week, just drop a comment on the comment section and I will try and see what I can do. Okay, so guys, as I guess you guys, you have tried holding an online meeting or gathering with your friends, family, loved ones, and the rest, but you kind of experience difficulties. We all know how this can be really cause a setback towards our plans. Okay, so that's where this Credle comes in. Okay, this is the solution to all that. Credle is a video conferencing, online meeting, and online collaborating platform that allow businesses to interact with their suppliers, partners, and customers via live 1-minute or one-to-one video chats. Okay, so to further break this down, video conferencing is an online technology that allows users in different locations to hold face-to-face meetings without having to move to a single location together. So guys, as you can see, for now the screen will be static. Okay, but after that I will now show you how to sign up on the Credle platform and also join the partner program. Okay, so just be patient while I just tell you guys about the platform, then we can proceed on that. Okay, so during the COVID-19 period, when there was a sit-at-home order, we all know that people couldn't go about their daily gatherings or meetings. Okay, because there was a rule by the government so as to social distance, so we don't spread the COVID-19 to one another. Okay, so with this rule, a lot of people knew they couldn't hold their gatherings any longer, so they decided to look for an alternative to hold their gathering. So they had no option than to do this online. Okay, so in the spring of 2020, the co-founder of this Credle app, Vincent Lama, came across an article on the disastrous environmental impacts of video streaming. This realization later prompted Vincent Lama, the co-founder of Credle, to ask himself and see whether if he could really come up with something so as to eliminate servers in a video conferencing solution. Okay, but it's the servers, they are responsible for all this pollution. Thanks to his expertise in his IT, his exploration quickly yielded a successful proof of concept. So after all this, Lamana partnered with Pierre Campion to create Credle, the most secure and green video conferencing solution out there. So if you want to hold your videos and stuff, I recommend this platform to you that currently one of the best right now, and a lot of people are really moving on this. They really love it. Okay, so as you can see, this Quiddle is here to stay, and they just introduce their partner program where you get paid to introduce this platform to your friends, families, loved ones, and everybody. Okay, so let me just go through the features of this app before we head to the part of the video where we can sign up and stuff on this platform. Okay, so the first feature of this platform is record meetings. Okay, this Quiddle lets you decide whether to record or not. If you do record a meeting, easily share it with participants after the event for them to view at a later time. Okay, so the next feature is ad hoc meetings. You can easily create new ad hoc meetings and invite the people you want. Ad hoc meetings are really very important, guys, and it's very useful to create unique meeting rooms with a dynamic link that's easy to copy and share. So another feature of this app is personal ID meeting room. When on this Quiddle, you can actually create your meeting room on Quiddle by claiming your personal ID. When creating a personal ID, you will receive a short URL with your personal ID. So just share the link to people to easily reach you. Meet your contacts. You can meet your contacts in your personalized room or join a contact room in one click. So the next feature is social logins. So guys, if you don't want to enter an email or password when making use of this Quiddle, that's not really an issue. They have made it very easy for you. So all you have to do is just log into your account either using your Facebook, Google, or Apple account. So guys, that's really less stressful. So the second to the last feature is invite participants. With Quiddle, you can invite other participants using your dynamic links that will open the meeting room either in a browser or in the mobile application installed on iOS or Android. So the last feature here is screen sharing. If you want to share your screen to show something to the other participants, making a presentation to your colleagues with Quiddle, you can share a tab from your browser, an application, or your entire screen to other participants. So guys, this is really cool. I won't lie to you. So this app is currently at the top now. So guys, I recommend you really utilize it if you want to use it for your video conferencing and online meetings or gatherings. Okay, so let's head over to the part of video where you can. So first and foremost, I'll be showing you how you can join the Quiddle platform. Okay, so to join the Quiddle platform, what you have to do is just go to your browser. No need to go into your browser already. You can still go to your browser, but to me, I just recommend you click on the link on the description below, or you copy it and go to your browser and paste it here. Okay, so after pasting it here, so for those that have clicked on the link, you will just be taken to the main page. But for those that want to copy the link and paste to that browser, you just copy the link and paste on your browser, then click on it. So after you have done that, so let's wait. Oh, sorry guys. Let's wait. There's no network right now, like serious. So guys, let's just wait for exercise patience while this loads up. So guys, I'm really sorry for pausing the video earlier. Actually, my data got exhausted, so I made a quick subscription. So after copying the link for those that is copying the link, if you click on the description below, you'll be directed to the page where we are about heading to. So I will just click on this link. As you can see, I've been brought to the page. So as of this pop-up, you just click on the close button, or you can actually vote for them. They were nominated for an award. Okay, so let me just click on the close button. Then what next? You click on the sign up button. So after clicking on the sign up button, you need to fill in your first name, fill in your email address, then fill in your password. Okay, so guys, for the sake of this video, I will be using a random email I created for this tutorial. So guys, wait till I head over to my email and copy the details. So guys, as you can see, so let me just use for the name, let me just use Sam Okpara. So for the email address, I'll use sam217569@gmail.com. So for the password, let me just use sam217569@gmail.com. So guys, sorry, let me just cancel the @gmail.com. So make sure your password is up to eight characters. Okay, so as you can see now, let me just click on the sign up button. As you can see now, I've been validated to this page. Okay, on this page I need to verify my email address, so click on the verify your email address button. So after doing that, what you have to do now is go to your email and verify your account. So go back to your email. So let me refresh it. So as you can see, the email has arrived. So right now, all I have to do now is to click on this link. As you can see, your email has been verified. You can now sign into your new account. So click on the continue button. So right now, all I have to do now is to sign up, is to log into my account. Okay, so I click on the sign in button after filling in my details. So as you can see, I'll be brought to my account. So here you can start a meeting and perform the actions earlier I talked about in the video on the Cradle guide and lots more. So guys, also if you need any help, you just message the co-founder here and stuff. So the last part of this article, how to join the partner program, so I will leave a link below this video which will help you to join the partner program. Okay, so as for me, you can also copy the link and paste on your browser. As for me, I'll be pasting the link on my browser. So I will just paste the link. Okay, so after pasting the link, as you can see, join the Cradle partner program, earn $1 for every sign up plus 30% recurring revenue on every customer purchase for life. Okay, that's really nice. So right now, click on the apply now button. So let's wait guys, let it load. It's still loading. So as you can see, the page has loaded successfully. So on your details, so let me just cancel my details because I'm already on the partner program. Okay, so on this first name, enter the name you used to sign up on the Credo account earlier. On this second part, last name, you enter the same email you used. On this last name, you enter the same last name you used on the account you created on Credo earlier. Then on this email, use the same email also you used on registering your account on Credo. Then on this fourth part, how many people are part of your audience? You can feel it depends, 50, 100, 200 to 250, 100 to 50, 50. Okay, you can fill in 100 to 200. How do you plan on sharing your link? You can write, I plan on sharing my link on social media, or if you have a blog, YouTube channel, a social media page, group or stuff, you just fill it down. So on this part, why do you want to join the program? You can write to bring more users to your platform or to promote the growth of this platform. Okay, so where is your audience located? It depends, where are you gonna get visitors from. You can type in worldwide, US, Canada, Nigeria, South Africa, Singapore, Guinea and the rest. Okay, so what industry do you currently work with? So on this, I recommend you input traveling agency or tech. So what type of partnership are you looking for? Just type in general partnership because this one is quite a bit difficult for most people. So after you are done, you click on the next button. Okay, so after clicking on the next button and completing the few small steps required, your review will be sent to their team, and after a short period of time, if you are approved, they'll send you a mail that you have been approved, and now you can start to invite new users to the platform. But if you weren't approved, they'll still say the mail will notify you. Okay, so guys, that's all for this video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I want to really thank you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and also guys, make sure you log in to your account on your Credo account after verifying your mail. Is very important, guys. Okay, so guys, I really thank you guys for sticking this far to this video. I would like you to like, subscribe, comment and share. Also let me know in the comment sections if you would like me to make another update before this week runs out. Thank you guys and God bless. Peace. Have a blessed day.